Hey everybody, welcome back to Peachscott Creek Farms. Today we're going to review the Vevor commercial meat slicer, 10-inch meat slicer. It will cut anything from 0 up to 12 mil. 12 mil turns out is almost a ½ inch. All right, what the slicer comes with is all the parts you see here. Also comes with a guard, which we may or may not be using. Comes with a new belt, dry belt. Comes with a new sharpening stone. There's already one attached. We'll show you how to sharpen it here shortly. All right, you adjust your cutting thickness with this knob right here on the side, and it's listed from 0 all the way up to 12. And I guess that's where they get the 0 to 12 mil. Turn it on. There's on and off switch on this side. Make sure the blade is clear. It runs quiet. Very little vibration. All right, one cool thing about the Vevor professional grade meat slicer is it comes with a little sharpening mechanism where you can sharpen your blade. You just take this off, turn it around. You can see you have 2 sharpening stones there. Set that on there, turn the knob, tighten it back up. You can see those push in. So all we're going to do is turn it on. And you can push both of those in at the same time. You can do that up to 30 seconds. And it should be sharp. And you turn it back around. To where that will not hit the blade while we're running. Now we're ready to cut. For cleaning, turn this knob on the back here. And this center section will come out. All right, now that gives you access to the blade. Take these 3 Allen head screws out. Back here on the back, 2 more knobs that really do nothing back there. Screw that into here. You can use that as a handle to pick your blade up. Put that all back together, tighten it all back up. Take your plate there. Screw the wing nut back on. And now we're ready to cut. This thing is heavy. Got nice rubber legs, all 4 corners. Right there's your adjusting knob. 0 to 12. The device that holds your meat. Sharp spikes. There's everything on the back side. Like I said, here is your guard. It would normally be mounted right here to keep your hands from getting into the blade. Alright, so we're going to do some deer meat for jerky. As you can see, you have the spikes that hold the meat here and on this side. So if your meat is clearly taller than this, then you're going to have to clamp it down like this. Once you get to where we are now, you can clamp it down like that. We'll turn her on and just simply push it through. And I mean, it cuts like butter. It does help to have your meat not 100% thawed out, slightly frozen. And I'll show you a piece of it right here. I mean, it's not froze, but so you can see how thick we're making it. That's set on number 4, and that's what we're going to do for jerky. We'll finish this piece up. All right. Well, we've got approximately 22 pounds of this to cut up tonight. So I will tell you what time it is now, which is looks like 8:42. So I'll bring you back whenever we get all of it done, let you know how long it took. All right, so we're done. 22 pounds of meat. It is 9:02 now. It was 8:42 when we started, so 20 minutes to cut up 22 pounds of meat. You can see it all right there. Beautiful pile of meat. Gonna make some nice jerky. As you can see, it does make a mess, so put up a backstop to whatever you're doing there. I mean, you can see it slung meat all over Mom's kitchen, so yep, it works. Now we'll clean her up. All right, we're ready to clean up now. Start off by loosening that wing nut. That whole thing comes off. Set her in the sink. Wash that as you normally would. I'm going to show you this wing nut back here I was talking about. That one right there. That takes out the center plate. Take this one out. That acts as your handle. Leave that in there a little bit. You can push that out. Put that over in the sink to be washed. Grab our Allen wrench. Take our nut off over here. Screw in to that hole that we were talking about earlier. Now be careful. The blade is sharp. Loosen those all up. Put those in the sink to wash as well. Go ahead and take this other wing nut off too. Make sure, see, there does get some meat up in there, so you're gonna need to clean that too. Get your other wing nut out. Then you can use it as a double handle. Pick that up just like that. That is sharp. Don't let it get you. All right, and then pick up and throw away the spare meat chunks that's all around it. Clean it with a good sterile cleaner. Wash your dishes just the way you always would. Put it back together. All right, that's pretty much it for the Vevor 10-inch professional meat slicer. We love the thing. This is Dad's. Dad's had it for about 2 years now. Made a ton of jerky. come back to Pinch Cut Creek Farms. We'll do some more reviews. Thank you.